Hello Krishna, in today's class we are going to solve EVS worksheet. Are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Match the pictures to the correct body parts. Okay. Now I will say the body parts name. You have to match with picture. Okay. Shoulders.
Shoulders.
Where is shoulders?
Eyes, nose,
Toes.
toes,
Okay. Shoulder.
shoulders.
Okay. Match. Very good. Next, knees. Second one, knees. Where is knees?
Knees here.
Show me. Okay, match. Okay, next, toes.
Toes.
Where is toes?
Toes.
Show me toes.
Here.
Okay, match. Okay, eyes. Where is eyes? Show me.
Eyes here.
Okay, match. Match. Very good. Ears.
Ears here.
Okay, match. Next, mouth.
Mouth
Where is
here.
mouth? Okay, match. Okay, knees. Nose.
Nose
Okay, where is nose? Show me.
here.
Okay, very good, Krishna. Next, draw the emotions in the given faces. Okay, you have to draw the emotions in these faces. Okay, here crying. This one is scared. First write crying face. Draw the emotions. Okay, right? Crying face. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now scared. Okay. Okay, now circle the word that matches the correct picture, Krishna. Okay. See the picture. Grandmother or grandfather?
Grandmother.
Okay, circle. Tick. Grandmother. This one is grandfather. Who is he?
Grandmother.
Okay. Tick here. Okay. Next. Sister or father?
Sister.
Okay. Tick upside up. Okay. Tick. Okay. Here. See the picture. Father or mother?
Father.
Okay. Next. See the picture. Mother or grandfather?
Grandfather.
Tick here then. Okay. Mother or brother? See the picture.
Mother.
Okay. Mother. Done. Next. We will move to next one. Circle the things that you can hear. Okay. You hear the clouds.
No.
Okay. You hear the van sound.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Circle. You hear the flower. You hear the radio. Okay.
Yes.
Circle then. You hear the drum sound.
Yes.
Okay. Circle. You hear the burger.
No.
You hear the bell sound.
Yes.
Okay. You hear the socks.
No.
Okay. We finished the hears. Now we will move to next taste. Okay. You taste the apple.
No.
You don't taste apple.
Yes.
Okay. Then circle. You taste the chicken piece. Okay.
I love.
Okay. You love. Okay. Circle. Okay. Next. You taste the sun.
No.
Okay. You taste the cupcake.
No. Yes.
Okay. Your favorite, no?
Yes. Cupcake is my favorite.
Okay.
Strawberry. Yes.
Okay. Circle.
This pizza also. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
No.
No. No. Okay.
Center one.
No. This is taste. Okay. Circle animals that have a tail. Okay. Okay. Rhinoceros have a tail.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Tortoise.
Turtle. Okay. Next. Hen.
And also.
Okay. Next. Cow.
Yes.
Cow has a tail.
Yes.
Very good. Next. Horse. Horse has a tail.
Horses.
Okay. Next. Gorilla.
No.
Okay. No. Next. Lion. Lion has a tail.
Yes.
Okay. Circle. Pig has a tail.
Yes. Pig has.
Okay. Next. Zebra has a tail.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Duck.
No. Okay. Then what this?
Yes.
Elephant. Elephant has a tail?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Krishna, now circle the correct option. Okay. Which animal has a fin? Show me. Which animal?
Fish.
Oh, fish. Where is fin? Okay. Where is fin? Show me.
Here.
Fin. Okay. Which animal has a shell?
Sunny.
Bee or
B.
bee has a shell? Tortoise.
Turtle. Tortoise.
Okay.
Tortoise.
Turtle has a shell. Okay. Which animal has a beak? Parrot or?
Parrot.
Okay.
Parrot. Parrot.
Okay. Tick the correct body parts. Okay. Mouth.
Mouth.
This. Where is mouth?
Here.
Okay. Arm.
Arm here.
Okay. Circle properly. Okay. Hand.
Hand here.
Okay. Nose. Where is nose? Circle. Okay. Circle the correct picture. Okay. Mother. Where is mother? Circle. Where is mother? Okay. Next. Where is brother? Circle. Show me where is brother. Here's brother. Okay. Good job, Krishna.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.